I don't. You know what's so crazy? I don't get, well, not that I don't, I get it now that I understand the whole stand-ship situation. Let me explain to you something. So what I've noticed being out of the house for a good almost 4 weeks, right? I understand that there is animosity between supporters slash fans, stand-ships, right? Cool. And then it makes sense now why in previous seasons some ex-housemates will end up not being friends, because they don't let the stand-ship wars just be that. They kind of like personalize those things and internalize them and go with them, right? Cool. Because personally, when I was in the house, I had no hectic beef with anyone, right? Cool. Even post leaving the house, I have no beef with anyone. But there is a so-called beef, right? Or animosity flying around social media that I hate Thandeka. I don't. I've never even had a fight with Thandeka in the house. Like, we've never fought with Thandeka in the house. I've just always been very vocal with I don't like how she speaks to other people, right? Cool. And that's why I've distanced myself. But what's crazy to me now that I'm on the outside is noticing different camps basically saying that different camps are saying that there's this beef, kumlo Thandeka, I hate Thandeka, and all of these things. And I'm like, bro, like, where is this coming from, right? And I get it. I don't understand Big Brother, Mzansi, fan culture, or whatever the case, stan culture, supporter culture. I don't understand it, and I'm not trying to understand it. It is bigger than me. It is beyond me. But I really hope that every housemate that leaves this season doesn't let anything that's going on social media with like fan versus fan bases get to them, because it's really bullshit. Like, it's literally bullshit. Because sometimes I'll just be scrolling and I'll literally see a tweet saying Nelly needs to apologize to Liema, or I'll see a tweet saying that Nelly is not going to be friends with Liema and Didi. All of these things, and I'm just like, I get it that as viewers, people have opinions on the show and everything, which is perfectly fine, and that's why I never like engage in those type of stuff. But I really hope, like, as housemates, we've experienced each other on a personal, closer level, I guess. And I hope that if you had a friend in someone, or a potential friend in someone in the house, you don't come outside and see what social media, these beefs that they created, all these animosities that they've created online, let that cloud your possible friendship or your friendship that you had with someone in the house. It should not cloud that. Because that's what, like, because guys outside, I'm not going to be friends with this person, I'm not going to be, like, it's just weird. Like, it's just so weird. But I get it, you know, I was just not familiar with the Big Brother Mzansi fan game, and I'm not trying to get familiar with it because it is beyond me, it is bigger than me. So, sorry. It's weird as fuck. Like, I'm gonna engage with whoever I feel like I want to engage with.
This is where that is not rare that housemates, after being in a house and when they're outside, to carry on, you know, with such a relationship, friendship, things like that, you know, due to, you know, yeah, man.